My name is Izhi Unuphu. I'm studying at IUCSS. Today we learned how to make Detol, and we and our fellow students.
They teach us how to produce Detol. I'm very, very happy.
We learned how to do Detol. So thanks for the SBA.
Learn the how to do Detol. Even though I don't achieve anything today. My name is Obunna Suleiman. I am from ICSS and I'm saying a big thanks to you for teaching us how to make this.
They want our future to be bright.
So I want to say very big thank you to the Skill Acquisition Academy.
That teaches us this thing. I say God will increase their knowledge.
Hi everyone, my name is Izhi Unuphu. I'm a student of IUCSS, Izhi Unuphu Secondary School. Today we learned how to do detail production by the SAB, that is Skill Acquisition Business Academy. And I want to say a very big thank you to all of you and to our Honorable Mrs. Wilfred Kechi, the Commissioner for Works and Transport wife. I want to say a very big thank you.
I want to use this opportunity to appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for coming to Izhi Unuphu Secondary School to teach us how to make Detol production. On behalf of Winifred Lebechi Mbam, thank you so much for teaching us skill acquisition.